Here are some more promises from God to think about. This is from Matthew chapter 7, verses 7 through 11. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and it will be opened to you. For everyone who asks receives, and he who seeks finds, and to him who knocks it will be opened. Or what man is there among you who, when his son asks for a loaf, will he give him a stone? Or if he asks for a fish, he will not give him a snake, will he? If you then, being evil, know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more will your Father who is in heaven give what is good to those who ask him? So this chapter is in a section of the Bible where Jesus was talking to his disciples, the Sermon on the Mount, so to speak. So this promise is really only for people who are believers in Jesus. Also, there are other verses in the Bible which explain more limits on why our prayers might not be answered. Here are 7 of these passages. 1 John 3, Psalm 66 talk about godliness is necessary for God to hear our prayers and not regarding sin in our hearts. James 1:6, Matthew 17:20 talk about asking in faith, the importance of asking in faith, not doubting. Luke 18 talks about the importance of continually asking over and over and not giving up. 1 John 3:14 through 15 and James 4 talk about asking according to his will, not spending it on our pleasures. So these are some factors to consider as far as when God will answer our prayers. And then verses 9 through 11 here in Matthew 7 talk about God will give us what is good. Sometimes we might ask for something and God does not give it to us, and later we find out that it was for our best, that we did not receive it. Other times we ask and we don't receive, but it is a good thing we're asking for, and we just need to keep asking and asking until God gives it to us. He might be seeking to grow our faith by making us wait to receive it and keep asking. The main point here is that God is a really good father, and if even earthly parents give what is good to their children, God will do much better than that. Once again, according to the Bible, not everyone is a child of God. We are all by nature children of wrath, as Ephesians chapter 2 verse 3 says. But we can become children of God, as John chapter 1 verse 12 says, simply by receiving Jesus, that is, by welcoming him, by believing in him, believing in who he says he is. And then these promises from Matthew 7 can apply to us, can apply to you.